Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So you guys are not subscribed to my channel. Why aren't you subscribing? If you will not subscribe, I will not do the face wheel. And my brother and somebody just reported me that I am a scam. But I have a brother. He has a channel named Yudge.ETIDZ.7. Please subscribe to him and my channel and subscribe until there's 20 subs or maybe 10 subs, doesn't matter. So bye guys, have a great time.